Hello everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my 7th experiment in the technology lab to make use of PHP super global variables in order to create a multi-page shopping cart. As you can see over here, using super global variables, we can send values from one web page to another web page. Now let us look as to how we do that. First of all, for my input code, I have created 4.php and .css files. .php is done in order to provide the data transfer facility, and then I have .css to provide the styling features to my web page. Now, first of all, for the first page, I have created for login, in which I have created the text field, and then I've given a placeholder for that, and then I've created a submit button and all that. Now over here, as you can see, I have made use of HTML tag form, within which in the parameter action I have given selection.php, which means from login my web page is transferred to selection.php web page, and then I have made use of method get. Now to provide the styling features, I have made use of .css. Now over here, as we see in selection.php, when my page is navigated from login, we can see that I have made use of PHP over here. In PHP, we have a super global variable called as a session. Session is mainly used so that we can transfer the data that we provide in the first page from the last page. This is done in order to preserve the value that we give. So over here, to begin the session, I have made use of session start. After that, I have provided the name which I had given over here using the get method into my session name. And in PHP, we make use of the tags using the name. So my name is stored in session name. After that, as you can see, I have provided welcome followed by the session name. So when we look at the output, we can actually see that the name we provided in the login page appears in the selection page. After that, I have given few features in which here I have given a shopping cart for shoes, and so here my shoes appear, from which we can make any selections of our choice, the quantity, the size and the color. And then as you can see, I have made use of form tag yet again, and in the action I have given the shipping.php file, and this time the method is post, which means the data is transferred using the post method, and then it is transferred to my next page, which is shipping.php. Now let us look as to how our login and selection page appears. In order to start a PHP program, we make use of XAMPP control panel, and this is how I have created my login page. So when I go in there, I get this. Over here, when I type my name, my selection.php gets opened, and as you can see, my name has been transferred from login page to selection page. Now over here, we can make selections of our choice. So over here, I am selecting daily wear, and then quantity as 2 and my size as 6, and then I make use of red color over here. Now when I click my next button, as we saw in the input code, this gets transferred to my shipping.php via method post. So I give next. Over here, I am supposed to give my shipping details, for which I have my code over here, and as you can see, whatever quantity, size, the shoe and the color I have given in my selection.php gets transferred to my shipping page, which I had passed using the post method. I store these in my session variable, and over here I have started another session. And in order to provide these features, I have made use of another .css file, and then even here, as you can see, we can identify each of the tags using the name which I have provided in this. So over here, when I give my details as 2-day delivery, and then I provide my name, over here I'm supposed to enter a valid email, so I give my email ID, and then when I click continue, you can see that the data entered has been transferred to my last.php file, which is confirm.php. Over here, all of the data that we had entered, that is the cost and the shoe type and everything, gets transferred. And at last, as you can see over here, my final cost has been computed, which is done. First, I have given my switch case in this way, and based on the shipping type I have given, it gets calculated. So in that way I get my output, and then as you can see over here, I have provided these uh, these details and I have transferred them. I get them in this way. So using PHP, we can transfer the data from one page to another in this way. That's all for my experiment. Thank you for watching.